Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat channel. And in today's video, I'll show you on how to verify your WeChat channel for live stream step-by-step guide. So let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. Then go ahead and click on Discover. Go ahead and click on Channels. Go ahead and click on the profile icon. Go ahead and click on Go Live. Then here you go. Channel live verification. According to the relevant regulation, you must meet the below verification requirement and agree to the relevant agreement in order to live stream in channels. First, you need to make sure you verify your rename authentication and your age must be verification, and the age must not be below the 18 years of age. That is, anybody that wants to live stream on WeChat channel, you need to be above 18 years of age. For you to verify your rename authentication, click on not verify, then you'll be given a requirement for that. You can go to wallet in WeChat to link a bank card for identity verification. Hit on OK. So next thing you want to do is to make sure you do age verification. So from the section, after you complete your WeChat rename authentication by linking your bank card, then you'll be prompted to do age verification. However, if you do not know how to do your rename authentication by linking your bank card, let me quickly walk you through. Go back to the home page right here on WeChat. Go back to the home page. Then when you get to home page right here, go ahead and click on the profile icon. Then go ahead and click on Pay and Services. Then go ahead and click on Wallet. Then from Wallet right here, click on Bank Card. Here, enter your bank card. However, a bank card that can work for this has to be a Chinese bank card. Once you might in your bank card right here, you'll be able to do age verification. Then thereafter, you can start live stream on your WeChat channel. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.